Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring Floodlight Cam, quick fix step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Ring Floodlight Cam. Locate the mounting bracket and hardware included in the package. Next, choose a suitable location for installation. Ensure the location has access to a Wi-Fi connection. Before installation, turn off the power at the circuit breaker for safety. Use the mounting bracket to trace its outline on the wall. Drill holes at the marked points to secure the bracket. Attach the bracket to the wall with the provided screws. Carefully connect the wires from the floodlight cam to the house wiring. Follow the color-coded instructions for proper wiring connections. Secure the camera to the mounting bracket. Ensure it is tightened properly to avoid any movement. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Download the Ring app on your smartphone if you haven't already. Create an account or log in to your existing Ring account. Follow the prompts in the app to add your floodlight cam. Scan the QR code on the camera if prompted. Connect the camera to your home Wi-Fi network. Adjust the camera settings in the app to suit your preferences. Test the camera by activating the live view feature. Position the floodlights as desired for optimal coverage. Take a moment to test motion detection by walking within range. Make any necessary adjustments in the app for sensitivity. Congratulations, your Ring Floodlight Cam is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.